Good evening, everyone. It is February 13th, 2017. We're doing a personal box break for Nick K in the YouTube stream. He purchased a personal box of SP Game Use 2016-17. So, this was from a fresh inner case. As you can see, there's 10 boxes. Nick chose box 5 right here on the left side. So we'll be doing box 5 right here. So let's pull that out right there. And we'll move these back here. So here it is, guys. SP Game Used Edition 16-17 Hockey. So good luck, Nick. And like I always say, guys, if you guys want to do personal boxes here as well, please email us at jaspyshockeyland@gmail.com. That way we can send you a list and the prices of what we have available in stock. And then you too can do a personal box. All right, Nick. Good luck, man. That's an authentic rookies. That's Jaspy Kapanen, 9 of 37. These are super short print, Nick K. So Austin Matthews, I pulled one of these of Austin Matthews out of 34. Sells for about $1,200. So these numbered jersey numbered authentic rookies, they're short prints. So this could be a pretty nice one right here. So there's the first one. That is for the Tampa Bay Lightning. That's Nikita Kucherov, 28 of 111 for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Next one is jersey rookie sweaters, Michael Matheson. That is 231 of 499 for the Florida Panthers. Authentic rookies with a jersey, 101 of 399. That is Jacob Chichern. Chichern, actually. Sorry about the botch of the names, guys. Now I remember all these guys. Next one. 2016 NHL Rookie Relics. That's Tyler Mote. 176 of 199. And the last card of the box, Nick. It is an autograph for the Winnipeg Jets. That is Mark Scheifele. Right there. So there it is, Nick. That was your personal box of 2016-17 SP Game Use. Nice personal box right here. You got one of those short print jersey numbered authentic rookies. And then the auto is Mark Scheifele. So thanks for getting that personal box with the Nick K. Like I always say, if you guys want to do a personal box with us, please email us at jaspyshockeyland@gmail.com. And then you too can do one with us. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.